Hi guys, I'm Nora. I'm Japanese and live in the UK. Today, I will show you how to make meatballs sold at supermarkets into a healthy and delicious Japanese style. This is amount of to make 8 small meatballs. Please change according to the amount. Sprinkle the meatballs with potato starch. Mix soy sauce, sake, rice wine, and sugar. Boil water, then put mixed sauce in the saucepan and heat it. Please be careful not to burn it. Once the sugar has melted, turn off the heat. After boiling the water, add the meatballs. After a while, the balls will float and then boil for 1 minute. Heat the saucepan again over low heat. Add meatballs which boiled and 2 tablespoons of hot water. Mix the meatballs and sauce well. Sprinkle white sesame. Thank you for watching until the end. Please read the description. The website in the description also introduces how to make it, so please read it. And please like it and subscribe to this channel. Have a lovely day. See you next time.